Saturday and time for the ride. Let's go up.
Like a motherfucker stuck. Can you picture middle finger out the window getting fucked off? Liquor, get loaded, can't control it. Nigga, pass me the blood, let me roll it.
That's all I heard yesterday. Hey Cardo, radio on. Hey Cardo, radio on.
Different voices.
Yeah, different voices. It only recognises Americans, so Oggy was trying it in fucking Egyptian and all sorts. It turned on with a squeaky woman's voice, didn't it?
Don't hit the camera. I was expecting you not that cunt over then.
No one told them that.
Fucking all Tories, Motourev Elan. All new bikes, fucking 360 cameras. Lomo bags. Sue glued up to the fucking ears. Fucking Breaking Stevens must be behind us. Look at the titties on her there, look at the titties on her, dog. She's got a nice pair of tits and he's got a bag of shit in his hand. Fucking breaking Stevens in front of me. Yeah, I could murder a fucking sausage sandwich now. Fucking got up too late for breakfast. No, did I fuck? There was people there getting it, so I thought, oh, wait until I finish. That was it. They're all done, gone. I must admit, this morning I preferred the extra fucking time in bed. I was fucked. Fuck you, Oggy. We're in the rape forest. Oh yeah, we are. Love a bit of rape. Rape, rape. We all love rape, rape, rape. We all love rape. What? Am I breaking? What the fuck did you say then? No, rape, Oggy, rape. It was my little rape song I was singing, not break.
One coming up, move over to the side. Just coming upside here in a minute. Just on your tail end, he's probably talking, getting you on video, saying look at this cunt.
Let's have a game of spot the cunt. Look at love on his face, Og. Fucking blew out.
Someone broke down.
They come on out and all.
Sorted. We go and carry on then?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go, man.
I was only stopping in case he thingy needed a push. No, for bump start it.
Who do we appreciate? Piggy, Piggy, Piggy. We love you, Piggy. We love you, Dapros. We love you, Peter. Oggy only came on the ride to fucking go across that dam, and you've cut it out, Craig. Oh, you're a bastard, you are, Craig. Oggy won't be coming again. Oh, yeah. Shows your tits, you dirty bitch. Shows your tits, a minge. Show us your titties, love. Show us your titties. There's plenty of Wales titties out today, isn't there? Okay, hey, what's her titties like here? Let's have a look. Shows your titties, love, here. Oh, she had a good set of tits there. GoPro wouldn't have picked it up, but... Oh, bouncing pair of tits. Get them bouncing, love. Fucking hell. You're a dirty bitch and you want cock. Yeah. Okay, covering that little girl's ears. Rev your bike up. Deafen her. I'm still first. I've got a very long first gear, Oggy.
Haven't nodded. Cunt. Right there, car, you fucking dickhead. Look, what's him? He keeps nudging out. He's fucking jumped in between it all. Fucking dick.
Oh, I'm gonna bounce it right on your dick. I'm gonna bounce it right on your dick. Oh yeah. As far as you can see, Og, there's cunts. Isn't there? Oh, he's gonna be gutted. Got it. Wait there in your fucking car, you can't. Well, she should be wanking him off while he's waiting. I would have filmed it, yeah. I would have got in for the fucking money shot. Then pulled your head in quick. Let him shoot it all over your fucking face.
So, get all them roads, gravel dodging us. Did you have the perfect road on that section?
Yeah, apart from a leg down on that bend.
Wait there, and you misgeared it, didn't you? You went into neutral or something and then kicked it in and your back end spun.
Oh, that was earlier on going
yeah,
down.
I never got that on camera though, my camera's froze.
I was using
Well,
my
no,
back
the
brake.
perfect ride is gone, mate.
When
It's
my
well
gear
gone.
came in, it locked
So
up.
the first half of Lloyd, he's
He did alright.
just a better than normal though.
He's let himself down a bit.
Knocking about you lot. Don't leave man behind, you said.
Leave the group.
We were nailing it. Piggy was leading there.
No, we're fucking awesome.
It's like,
No, that's it. You've only got to see a bit of gravel with Piggy.
That's far
Yeah,
ahead.
that's it. He wants the back end sliding
I've not
everywhere.
been a grass, but he's back wheel might have been the only one on the tarmac for a little bit.
Done 7,500 on that back wheel. The front wheel's only done 1,000.
Oh yeah, we're back at the Love Nest. Yes, we are. Let's take out a gear. Let's not make myself look silly. What? God, I was filming your fucking indicator left on, Oggy. That's why. I thought I'd give the people what they need. Oggy, what do you think? Synopsis on the ride today.
Just let down, innit?
Fucked up, didn't he? Fucked it up.
Promised
Craig
us
did.
good roads.
What did we get?
Fucking dirt tracks.
And a sore ass. That's what we got. But
Left us. His motto, don't leave a man behind.
he left half, well, most of the group behind. So selfish. Motourev aren't what they used to be, I tell you.
Don't even go back at that, you can't.
Drink the better the luck. I know the 4 o'clock pulling the club. Get the job done.
For getting his feet tan on his legs.
Everybody watch Matt's video. No, we can't. Let's start fast. So Matt won a certificate for entering the 4th dimension.
Hey, you fucking JD special. Is that where you got the number plate, Ben? Is that where you got the number plate?
Cartwheel!
Cartwheel!
No!
Gotta do one.
You've got to do one.
Oh, so I won a 4D.
Always smiling and being the coolest person. Very, very soon.
Oh, James, did you ever find that thing on your number plate?
Yesterday.
Oh. Made me laugh when I saw it.
Check their channels.
Rode around the whole Birmingham with it.
Well, now, most has won his certificate for being the ultimate brother to his friend. So tell everybody where you took Dave's.
Up the arse.
That way you get a medal.
Tell them side. It works, you know.
Dave brought to mine. Then St Ives was it? Cornwall.
Yeah,
So it's a 700-mile round trip. So his friend got up at 4:30. I took him on the bike.
That's where it's came to.
Say that pressure.
Who? Forbster. Forbster.
Motovlog UK.
Clue, mate, you know.
Look at that. What's that on his t-shirt?
You just made it awkward now, Dave. Really awkward pocket.
I didn't bring this crazy.
Yeah.
Sex offenders list.
What? Never heard of him. Never heard of him. Right. Well, this is for Dave, right? Now, Dave is amazing at editing, okay? So give him a round of applause for his editing skills.
Just better put that in later.
Well, now, there's something else, right? Dave's a musician. And I get quite a few messages of a night. I say to Dave, play me this love song on the piano. And he sends me the videos of him playing it, so that's our love. Well, I was going to bring the projector.
What? No piano?
Wheel one out. There you go. His nickname's the pianist, not for piano.
No, we've got the ultimate channel, okay? Not everybody can watch this channel, it's really bad. You have to play really bad. This channel's called VeryStrangeBikers. Who are they?
See his face.
Not my fucking channel.
That's it, right? VeryStrangeBikers. Do you all remember the video where we had our oldest subscriber who passed away?
Yeah.
It was this guy's dad. Okay? This is the man. So this is for you and Dad and Oggy.
Okay.
Oggy!
Okay.
Purely for just the funniest channel, okay? We'll edit it. But we've got Oggy's got his own certificate.
Oh, I see that.
Right.
Oggy,
Oggy, you come here.
come on, Oggy.
Well, that's yours anyhow, brother.
Thank you, mate. Oh, I've got my name here, Oggy.
Eric Pollard. Who's giving that? Only ever knows.
Cheers, mate.
Oh, hold on, we've got some.
Fucking Eric Pollard.
I've got Paddy.
I've got a present for Oggy.
Oh, Oggy, you've got her now, haven't you?
No, I haven't.
Special under the
You'll make it fit, won't you?
I'll get it there somewhere.
Here, I want to see a review video done by him.
I'll make sure he does one, yeah.
Fucking opens both.
I don't want when he's evening or nothing like that.
I'll try keep him from doing that. Oggy, if you could retire tomorrow earning the same money that you're earning now, but you had to wank a bloke off, would you do it?